Shedding light on, shed light, understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to shed light on the phrase, shed light. If you're eager to brighten up your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Stay with us as we explore the meaning, usage, and origins of this enlightening expression. When we say that someone or something sheds light on a subject, we mean that they make it clearer or easier to understand. Imagine walking into a dark room and turning on a lamp. Suddenly, you can see everything clearly. That's exactly what this phrase figuratively does to a topic. It illuminates it, just as a light would. In this section, let's go through a few examples to see how shed light can be used in sentences. The documentary shed light on the challenges faced by wildlife in urban areas. Could you shed some light on this report for me? I'm having trouble understanding the data. Recent research has shed light on the causes of the disease. As you can see, shed light on is often followed by the, or, some, and then a noun or a phrase that represents the topic being clarified. Curious about where shed light comes from? The phrase is quite old, with uses in English dating back several centuries. The word shed, in Old English, skaden, had meanings linked to separation and division. Over time, its meaning expanded to include dispersing or spreading something, like light. Hence, shedding light became synonymous with spreading understanding or clarity over a subject. To add variety to your language, here are some synonyms for shed light: illuminate, clarify, elucidate, enlighten, explain. Feel free to use these synonyms to enrich your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching our exploration of the phrase, shed light. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and uses of this common English expression for you. Remember, learning a language is like adding more light to your world, one phrase at a time. Keep shining bright in your language journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening English content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.